Burgas Bulgaria unfolds as a coastal gem filled with history, culture, and natural beauty, offering something special at every turn. From peaceful islands rising out of the Black Sea to vibrant squares in the heart of the city, this destination highlights both serene escapes and lively urban energy. Each stop on this journey reveals a different side of Burgas. Whether you're exploring ancient monasteries, relaxing on golden beaches, or getting lost in its artistic streets. Historic landmarks tell stories of resilience, while modern attractions showcase the city's growing charm. Scenic parks, waterfront promenades, and bustling local spots bring the city to life, creating a perfect blend of relaxation and discovery. Whether you're drawn to cultural experiences, seaside adventures, or picturesque architecture, Burgas offers a refreshing mix that keeps every traveler inspired. Let's dive into the top 7 must-see attractions that make Burgas one of Bulgaria's most captivating coastal cities. Let's get started. Number 7. Exploring St. Anastasia Isle. Black Sea's secret gem. St. Anastasia Isle rises from the Black Sea with a peaceful charm that feels worlds away from the mainland. The moment the boat approaches its rocky shores, the island's unique silhouette and rich history begin to unfold. Once home to monks, legends, and even daring escapes, this small island carries centuries of stories within its stone walls. Walking through the narrow paths, the old monastery stands as the heart of the island, offering fascinating insights into Bulgaria's spiritual and cultural past. Inside, exhibits highlight the island's history, from religious life to tales of pirates and exiles. The surrounding cliffs create dramatic viewpoints, perfect for capturing stunning panoramas of the sea. The island's quiet coffee shop and small museum create a relaxing atmosphere, inviting visitors to sit back and soak in the peaceful surroundings. Whether exploring the historic monastic buildings, taking in the coastal views, or enjoying the gentle sea breeze, St. Anastasia Isle delivers a serene and memorable escape, one that reveals the Black Sea's timeless beauty. Number 6. Discover Burgas Beach. Sun, sand, and sea adventures. Soft waves, golden sands, and a relaxing Black Sea breeze set the scene at Burgas Beach, one of Bulgaria's most inviting coastal escapes. This long stretch of shoreline offers more than just a place to sunbathe. As you walk along the promenade, vibrant cafes, beach bars, and sea view restaurants give the whole area a lively, welcoming atmosphere. The beach itself is wide and clean, perfect for long strolls or simply stretching out under the sun. For adventure seekers, paddleboarding, windsurfing, and jet ski rentals bring extra excitement to the day. Families will love the shallow waters and safe swimming zones that make Burgas Beach ideal for all ages. Just steps away, the Sea Garden adds another layer of charm with shaded pathways, sculptures, playgrounds, and scenic viewpoints overlooking the water. Whether you're relaxing, exploring, or capturing breathtaking photos, Burgas Beach delivers a perfect mix of beauty and energy. A coastal destination that turns every moment into a seaside memory. Number 5. Exploring Burgas Station. Gateway to the Black Sea. Exploring Burgas Station feels like stepping into the heart of Bulgaria's coastal travel network. This historic station is more than just a place to catch a train. It's the starting point for adventures across the Black Sea region. As you enter, the spacious halls, high ceilings, and classic architectural touches hint at its long-standing role as a major gateway for locals and travelers alike. Ticket counters and digital boards keep navigation simple, making it easy to plan connections to Sofia, Plovdiv, and nearby seaside towns. Outside, taxis and buses line up, offering quick access to Burgas Beach, the Sea Garden, and the city center. Platforms are well organized and surprisingly calm, letting you relax while waiting for your train. Whether you're here for a day trip or continuing a longer journey through Bulgaria, Burgas Station provides a smooth, efficient, and friendly starting point. It's a place where travel stories begin, connecting you to coastal beauty and cultural discovery. Number 4. Inside Bulgaria's Disney-style fairy tale castle. Step into a world where fantasy meets reality as Bulgaria's Disney-style fairy tale castle rises like a dream from the countryside. Known as the Castle of Ravaadinovo, this enchanting landmark feels like it's been lifted straight from a storybook, complete with soaring towers, ivy-covered walls, and shimmering lagoons that mirror its magical silhouette. Wandering through the grounds, every corner seems designed to spark imagination, from the grand stone bridges and lush gardens to the peaceful, swan-filled lake. Sculptures, fountains, and hidden pathways add to the sense of adventure, making it easy to lose track of time while exploring. Inside the castle, ornate halls, artistic details, and whimsical decor create a perfect blend of medieval charm and fantasy flair. It's a place that appeals to photographers, families, and travelers looking for something truly unforgettable. Whether enjoying the vibrant flowers, discovering the art galleries, or simply soaking in the mystical atmosphere, this Bulgarian fairy tale castle proves that magic doesn't only exist in animated films. It lives right here in the real world. Number 3. Kilometer Zero, where the city begins. Kilometer Zero in Burgas marks the official starting point of the city, a small but meaningful landmark that often goes unnoticed by visitors. Located in the heart of the city center, this symbolic spot represents the point from which all distances in Burgas are measured. It's a quiet reminder of Burgas's growth, its evolving identity, and its connection to the rest of Bulgaria. Standing here, the pulse of the city becomes clear. Busy streets branch out in every direction, leading to historic sites, lively squares, and coastal attractions. Locals pass by on their daily routines, while travelers pause to take photos, appreciating the significance of this modest marker. Surrounding Kilometer Zero, charming cafes, shops, and tree-lined walkways invite you to explore further. It's the perfect starting point for discovering Burgas, whether you're heading toward the sea garden, the beach, or deeper into the cultural streets of downtown. This simple marker may be small, but it symbolizes the beginning of countless journeys through this vibrant coastal city. Number 2. Exploring the Troika Square statue. Exploring the Troika Square statue in Burgas reveals a fascinating blend of history, artistry, and local culture right in the heart of the city. As you step into Troika Square, the lively atmosphere immediately captures your attention. Cafes buzzing with conversation, people strolling through the open space, and the city's modern spirit blending seamlessly with its historical roots. At the center stands the Troika Square statue, a striking monument that honors Bulgaria's past. Its powerful design and expressive details tell the story of national resilience and cultural pride. Walking around the statue, each angle reveals a new perspective, making it a favorite stop for travelers, photographers, and anyone curious about Burgas's heritage. The surrounding square adds to the experience, offering plenty of places to sit, relax, or simply watch the rhythm of daily life unfold. With nearby shops, landmarks, and pedestrian streets, this area makes exploring Burgas easy and enjoyable. Troika Square and its iconic statue create a meaningful connection between the city's vibrant present and its unforgettable history. Number 1. A stroll through Burgas. Hidden spots and local vibes. A stroll through Burgas reveals a city where coastal charm and urban life blend effortlessly. The journey begins along the scenic Sea Garden, Bulgaria's largest seaside park, where tree-lined paths, ocean breezes, and peaceful viewpoints create the perfect start to the walk. Locals jog, families relax, and street performers add a lively rhythm to the park's relaxed atmosphere. From here, the route leads into the heart of the city. Charming pedestrian streets filled with cafes, boutiques, and colorful murals showcase Burgas's artistic side. Small bakeries tempt you with the smell of freshly baked banitsa, while open squares invite you to pause and watch daily life unfold. A few steps further, the city's cultural landmarks come into view. Historic churches, museums, and cozy courtyards tucked away from the busy avenues. Each corner offers something unexpected, from quiet gardens to creative street art. As the stroll winds down near the beach promenade, the sound of waves replaces the city buzz. Burgas delivers a simple but memorable walking experience full of hidden spots, warm locals, and seaside beauty.